Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GME Mascot token. Ticker symbol is BUCK. Now, there's been a trend going on of mascots in meme coins right now, especially on the Solana blockchain. There's been Lester, the Litecoin mascot that basically started it all from a tweet back and forth between Litecoin and Doge. So they had Lester, the Litecoin mascot. Then we have the Lbank mascot that just came out yesterday. I did a video on that token. And then there was also Coinbase and Binance mascot tokens were pretty popular. And now we have the Gamestop mascot, BUCK, getting his own token. And this token is just going insane today. It got a huge central exchange listing today. They're almost at $200 million 24-hour trading volume right now. Insane project here. We're going to go over the GME Mascot token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token right now has a market cap of $34.1 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They're up 125,000% in the past 24 hours. Right now, this token is trending number 18 on DEX Screener in the Solana section. They have a 24-hour trading volume right now of $192.8 million. That is an insane 24-hour trading volume. They've had 128,729 transactions today. Token price right now is about 3.64 cents per token. They have $1.3 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.56% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Now, this token pair was actually just created 2 days, 14 hours ago on Raydium. This token was made on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And they just got a big central exchange listing today. So it says world premiere listing, BUCK, the GME mascot, will be listed on Lbank today. November 17th at 7:30 a.m. UTC time. So that has already passed. So this token is available right now on Lbank. So if you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search BUCK, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Twitter and a Telegram you can follow. The Telegram is at BUCKGME. 646 Telegram subscribers on that portal. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. Like new token listing announcements like the Lbank one, new partnerships, of course, memes, updates, all that good stuff. And then on top of that, they have the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. Now, I do believe they had an original profile, like original Twitter and Telegram, but since it's a community takeover, and we'll get to that in a second, since the community is now running this project, they have this new Twitter right here. And you can see in the top of the screen there, it says CTO, Community Takeover. 9 posts so far at BUCK GME Soul. Buck is the official GameStop mascot and is now live on Solana. So this is like a couple of memes combined into one. Obviously, the GameStop fiasco, everybody knows about that. The Roaring Kitty Netflix special documentary you could watch on GameStop if you don't know the story. But that's been a meme, obviously, with Robinhood and all that type of stuff, with meme stonks like GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, Wendy's, what's the other ones? AMC, there's a bunch of them anyways. And so, yeah, this Twitter here just joined November 2024, 137 followers on the Twitter there. And if you go, well, actually, if you scroll through, you're going to see lots of memes, like they have the Roaring Kitty guy talking there. Yeah, just a whole bunch of funny little Buck memes there. But this token here, they have just a webpage, buck-gme.com, that's basically just like a link tree. It's got the Dex screener, Twitter, Telegram links there. Got a bunch of memes on it that you could basically kind of share on your socials. It's a way to shill out the token. They post all these memes. You know, if you like any of them, you could repost them, and that's a way for the community to market out the token. Now, this token here was, right now they have 2,798 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 18,320,000 tokens. Now, besides Lbank, you can also get the token off of Raydium by funding your Solflare or Phantom wallet with SOL, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your SOL for this token. But you could also most likely get the token off other dexes like Meteora, Jupiter. You can also find the token on Birdeye, SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Right now it says they have 13,403 holders. And there's 13 different liquidity providers on Raydium. So it says community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token November 15th. Dev didn't see the massive potential of GME Mascot, the Buck token, but we do. And so the community ate up that dip and continued to support this token. And because of their support, I mean, they're almost at a $200 million 24-hour trading volume, which is an insane number. Now, this token looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. So right now, the total supply of this token is 999.93 million tokens. That's also the circulating supply. On Dex Tools, they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. In the past 7 days, and this token only came out a couple days ago, this token is up 46,321%. Needless to say, that's a lot. And so this token is doing very well. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.